Let's be real. If your business isn't showing up where your customers are looking, are you even in business? Whether it's Google, Yelp, or social media, there are thousands of online platforms where your potential customers are searching for you. But here's the thing. If you're not visible where it counts, you're losing opportunities. Your customers are ready to engage. The question is, can they find you? At MarketinGear, we don't just list your business. We strategically place it in the most relevant directories and platforms. From search engines to review sites, we make sure your business gets found by the right people at the right time. With optimized business listings, you'll not only get found, you'll stand out. Ready to boost your online presence? Let MarketinGear get your business where it belongs, front and center. Schedule your free consultation now at MarketingGear.com.